up, everybody? It's me, John Vaughn, the founder and CEO of TF5. I'm not a marketer, man. Anyways, look, I just wanted to go ahead and tell you everything that you are going to get in this amazing deal if you take this offer right now. First off, you're going to get a free trial so you can try everything out and make sure that you absolutely love it. And this is something that's actually going to work for you. If you don't love it, you can go ahead and cancel, never get charged. But after your free trial ends, you can see it's just a very, very ridiculously low monthly payment that you're going to get unlimited access to our friend Disconnector basic account. All right. Now you can also take the order bump here. And for a one-time payment, you're going to get access to Winner Chicken Dinner, which is another software that's really going to allow you to skyrocket your organic reach and engagement even more by allowing you to actually take your Facebook posts and turn them into viral giveaways and viral contests, causing so many people to actually engage in that post, which will mean they'll get to see all your future posts, and your future posts will get even more reach and even more engagement. And you're also, regardless of whether you take that order bump or not, you are going to get love, help, and support from the amazing people at Tier 5. So you can see here below that we actually have a real company. We actually have a real software development firm, believe it or not. And we have over 70 full-time in-house family members who love building software. We actually have a support team that will actually, through email or through chat support, or we'll even get on a live Zoom chat and help you with whatever you need. And I do want to let you know this price may increase at any time without any notice, but you can lock in your price right now by signing up right now. So go ahead and just sign up. You see the form, fill out your information. As soon as you fill it out, you'll get instant access to all the goodies.